New York Center, National Cargo 4830 Heavy. Good evening, flight level 330.
National Cargo 4830, New York Center, good evening. Estimate for Croak, requested altitude and Mach speed.
Stand by, center.
New York Center, National Cargo 4830, request.
Go ahead.
We have a technical issue this evening which prevents us from crossing the Atlantic. The company has requested us to divert to JFK.
Stand by. National Cargo 4830, I'll have our reading for you shortly. I'm just trying to get Washington to pick up the phone. National Cargo 4830, I'm trying to confirm your last emergency.
Cargo 4830. So Tan. National Cargo 4830, Boeing 744. We have an engine 1 by indication. We would like to
National Cargo 4830, clear direct Kennedy.
Clear direct Kennedy, returning left, National Cargo 4830.
National Cargo 4830, contact Washington Center 120.907.
National Cargo 4830.
National Cargo 4830, just verifying you're here with me.
Say again, please, for National Cargo 4830.
National Cargo 4830, I just wanted to make sure you were on the frequency. I got you here at 24. Just let me know when you're completed with the fuel dumping.
Roger, sir. We let you know when complete the fuel jet is on National Cargo 4830. Thank you.
And National Cargo 4830, we'll continue the descent for you. Descend and maintain flight level 18018. Descend and maintain 18.
Roger, descend and maintain 18018,000, National Cargo 4830.
National Cargo 4830, thank you. You can contact New York 118.907. They are aware, and again, just let them know when you're done your fuel dumping.
118-1907, National Cargo 4830, thanks for your help. National Cargo 4830, aircraft, flight number 180.
National Cargo 4830, New York Center, Roger. I have been briefed. If you need any assistance, let me know, please.
Thank you. We anticipate fuel jet is being complete in 10 minutes.
10 minutes, okay. National Cargo 4830, clear direct to Cameron. Cross Cameron at 11,000 if able. Speed is your discretion.
Direct Cameron, cross Cameron at 11,000, National Cargo 4830.
Roger.
And Center National Cargo 4830, confirm that runway 31 left and right are in use.
National Cargo 4830, do you have a request for the runway?
Yes, 31 during usage, 31 left. Cargo 4830.
Okay, I will pass that along. National Cargo 4830, contact New York approach 128.12. Take care.
128.12, thank you. National Cargo 4830. New York approach this morning, National Cargo 4830, we're descending to 19,000.
National Cargo 4830 Heavy, New York approach, depart Cameron 050. And for the runway assignment, I know you're requesting 31 left. Are you able to do the RNAV Zulu to 13 right?
Okay, stand by, we'll get back to you. Approach National Cargo 4830. No, we're not comfortable with doing that approach with an engine out, so we would request the ILS, please.
National Cargo 4830 Heavy, instead of the ILS 31 left, which is the opposite direction of what we're doing now, what about the ILS 4 left? I can give you a long final for that.
Hey firm, we can accept 4 left, National Cargo 4830.
National Cargo 4830, roger, expect the ILS runway 4 left approach.
National Cargo 4830.
National Cargo 4830 Heavy, descend and maintain 2,000. And do you have an update on your fuel remaining in pounds? National Cargo 4830 Heavy, descend and maintain 2,000. And when you can, the update on the fuel remaining in pounds.
Roger, we're descending to 2,000, National Cargo 4830, stand by. Approach National Cargo 4830, fuel on board is 118,000 pounds.
National Cargo 4830 Heavy, thank you. National Cargo 4830 Heavy, turn left heading 270.
Left heading 270, National Cargo 4830.
National Cargo 4830 Heavy, turn right heading 310.
Right heading 310, National Cargo 4830.
National Cargo 4830 Heavy, turn right heading 360.
Right heading 360, National Cargo 4830.
National Cargo 4830 Heavy, 12 miles from Crystal, turn right heading 010, maintain 2,000 till established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 4 left approach.
Roger, turning right, heading 010, clear for ILS, runway 04 left, 2000 feet, National Cargo 4830.
National Cargo 4830 Heavy, contact Kennedy Tower, 123.9, good day.
123.9, bye-bye. Kennedy Tower, National Cargo 4830, established and localized, runway 04 left, good evening.
National Cargo 4830 Heavy, Kennedy Tower, good evening. The emergency equipment is standing by. As a precaution, runway 4 left, the wind is calm, clear to land.
Roger, clear to land, runway 04 left, National Cargo 4830. National Cargo 4830, back to the runway by the Foxtrot.
National Cargo 4830 Heavy, roger. Do you know where you park?
263.
Okay, so National Cargo 4830 Heavy, if you want to continue down 4 left, you could exit via Charlie.
Roger.
National Cargo 4830 Heavy, do you require any further assistance from the emergency equipment?
Roger.
Do you? Or is there a question? You do not. Check. National Cargo 4830 Heavy, left turn Charlie, taxi to the ramp.
Roger, Charlie, and taxi to the ramp, National Cargo 4830, thank you.